Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to know top 3 exporter from export report. Here are export report where date, exporter, product, country, quantity, rate and sales are given. And I want to know the top 3 exporter from this data. First, just select all your data and go to the insert. Here you will find the option pivot table. Just click here. And I want a new worksheet, just click OK. Now pivot sheet will display. I just drag the exporter into the rows. It will display all the exporter. Now I want to show the cells of all the exporter. Just drag the cells into the sum values. It will display all the cells. Now I want to format these cells. Just right click here and number format and select the number and check the use 1000 separator and click OK. It will display the cells in formatting. Now I want to display these cells larger to smallest. Just right click to any cells and here you will find the option sort and select the sort largest to smallest. Now the larger cells will display on the top and the smallest cells display on the bottom. Now just select this filter and here you will find the option value filters. In value filter you will find the option top 10. Just click here top 10 and type 3 instead of 10 because I want to display the top 3 exporter and click OK. It will display the top 3 exporter larger to smallest. This is a very good technique to display top 3 exporter. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.